Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and with my academic IELTS reading video podcast, I actually welcome you once again. So guys, the question type which we are going to do today, that is flowchart completion. I'm going to tell you how to deal with flowchart completion. Let's read from the beginning. Questions 4 to 8. Complete the flowchart. Choose one word only from the passage for each answer. Write your answers in boxes 4 to 8 on your answer sheet. Okay, now what is it all about? The creation of limestone caves. So it means you need to find a paragraph or the part of the paragraph where they talk about creation of limestone caves. Okay, then they say limestone forms thick layers. Now you need to find, because flowchart is always in processes. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, lastly, and all that stuff. Okay, so you need to just find something. They say limestone forms thick layers. Then they say earth moves. Now earth is the clue word. Earth moves, creating dash at partings. Earth moves. So you need to find a paragraph where there is the word earth, then movement of earth, and then parting, and there you will find the answer. So I scanned it, and I found the word earth in third paragraph. Okay, you can just see third paragraph and its second last line. So I'm going to read it from the beginning of this sentence. Please follow me. These beds may accumulate to a total thickness of about 100 meters. Pure limestone is brittle, and folding due to earth movements causes cracks. And folding due to earth movements causes cracks. What is the question? Earth moves, creating. Now guys, creating and causing both are same words. They are synonyms. At parting. And for parting, what is the word that they are using? They are saying pure limestone is brittle, and folding due to earth movement causes cracks, and then they along the partings. Yeah, they've used the word same partings. So that's why for question number 4, earth moves, creating. For creating in the passage, they use the word causes. Cracks will be the answer. Clear? Happy? Okay, let's go on. Rainwater trickling down through the soil and dash in rocks. Now the clue word is rainwater. Okay, and one more thing. In flowchart, questions and answers, they are always in the same order. We found the answer of question number 4. Now we read ahead, we'll find the answer of question number 5. Then we read ahead question number 6. So rainwater is our clue word, and we need to find rainwater trickling down through the soil and dash in rocks. So it means with soil there is something else where the rainwater goes through. So please follow me. I found this word rainwater in this paragraph. They say rainwater percolates down through the soil and the fractures in the underlying rocks. Now what do they say? Rainwater percolates down through the soil and the fractures in the underlying rocks. What's the question? Rainwater trickling down. For trickling down, they are using the word percolates down. Okay, yeah. I'm doing X-ray of IELTS reading. Yeah. For trickling down, they say percolates down. And through the soil, soil is already written as soil, and the fractures in the underlying rock. So then they say and dash in rocks. For underlying rocks, they are only using the word rocks. That is why fractures will be the right answer. How you feeling, guys, huh? With Asad Yaqub, everything is gonna be alright. Don't worry, I'm here. Your IELTS is gonna be clear, and very soon you are going to be in Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and from there you are going to send me your selfies, and I'm going to come to stay with you as well. Okay, the next procedure is the water table and then acidic water, but there is no question. It means we need to skip some portion. Then they say dissolves limestone along joints, and then they say once dash opened clue word is opened and clue word is once. For once, they might use any other word. For opened, they might use any other word. Okay? So we need to scan for the word or the similar words of once or opened. And I told you the answers are in the same sequence in flowchart completion. So it is like that. Anyways, I found this word once. So I'm going to read this sentence from where the full stop was before. This water, which is usually acidic, dissolves the limestone along the joints, and once a passage is opened, once dash opened, once a passage is opened. Very simple. So the answer is once passage opened. Let me tell you, the question type is one word only. If you write a passage, your answer will be considered wrong because a is a word in IELTS. Okay, how are you feeling? Great, good. And this feeling will help you in actual IELTS test. Extended by sand, pebbles, and taken along by. Now they say taken along by, and then there is question number 7. So extended by sand, pebbles, we need to look for the word pebbles, sand, and then we need to see taken along by dash. What is it that takes it along? Okay, this is what we are going to find. Now let's go back. Sand, pebbles, taken along by, right? So after the passage, we are going to just read on and see what the next word is and what can be the answer. So we are looking for extended by sand, pebbles. And by the way, this is sand, pebbles. And then question number 7 is going back to that procedure. All right. And then finally, we've got question number 8. So the answers can be before or after because of this arrow, because that is coming on the side. So this is the side procedure. Yeah, guys, listen. Question number 8, the answer of question number 8 will come first, and then there will be the answer of question number 7 because that is on the side. Anyways, let's just read question number 8 as well. Okay, dash or silt and pebbles accumulated changes stream course. Okay, now 7 and 8, we try them together. I'm reading it from here. Yeah, I found this word like water, table, floor, pebbles. Yeah, I found the word pebbles. So let's read it from the beginning. I mean, this sentence from the beginning. Erosion may continue to cut down into the floor, or silt and pebbles may build up floors and divert stream course. All right, divert stream course. Most caves still carry the stream that formed them. Now, I'm sure the answers are here. Let's read the questions again. Question number 8, let's do that first. Dash or silt. Now, we need to see the word silt, and what do they say before that? Please follow me again, I'm reading it. Erosion may continue to cut down into the floor or silt. Erosion or silt. Try to see how clever they are. Erosion may continue to cut down into the floor, or silt and pebbles may build up floors. So, for question number 8, you know, they have used the word dash or silt and pebbles accumulate. For accumulate, let me tell you what word have they used. Erosion may continue to cut down into the floor, or silt and pebble may build up. Now, build up means accumulate actually. So, one word is erosion, one word is silt, one word is pebble. What is missing? Erosion is missing. That will be the answer. Okay. Now, let's see question number 7. They say extended by sand or pebbles. Then they say taken along by. Now, stone and pebbles, sand and pebbles, they are taken along by. Let's read on. Silt and pebbles may build up floors and divert stream courses. Now, what do? They build up floors, and they actually, silt and pebbles, what do? Sand and pebbles, what do? They divert stream courses. Now, they divert stream courses means they are actually taken along by streams. That is why they divert stream courses. So the answer to question number 7 is taken along by streams. That'll be the answer, okay? Because then if we move on, yeah, there isn't any mention of that. So stream courses, so you can write stream or streams. Both answers are going to be correct. See that IELTS reading can be very, very tricky, but if you follow my techniques, definitely you're going to find your way out. That's all, guys. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.